To create a quiz for Blooket, Kahoot, or Wayground, start by answering a few short questions. Your curriculum, age group, and subject will automatically be filled in based on your account settings. Next, enter the topic for your quiz. You can include multiple topics if you wish. Then, select the number of questions and the difficulty level. When you're ready, click Generate. Your quiz will be created in about 20 to 30 seconds. Once your quiz appears, take a moment to review all the questions. If you'd like to make any changes, use the Regenerate bar. Simply describe what you'd like to modify and click Regenerate. When you're satisfied with the quiz, export it in the format you need. Choose CSV for Blooket or PDF for Kahoot and Wayground. After exporting, log into your quiz platform, for example, Wayground, formerly Quizzes, and follow these steps. Click Create. Then, select Assessment. Choose Import Questions and upload the PDF you just downloaded. Click Generate Quiz. This may take up to 1 minute, depending on the number of questions. Once the quiz has been generated, preview it to make sure everything looks correct. You're now ready to share your quiz with your students. And don't forget to explore the full range of HelpMeTeach.ai tools designed to save you time and support every part of your teaching journey.